What is going on, boys and girls? It is your boy Temp Sits, and today Scotty and I are being madmen. You want to get out of the way, dude? I want to get on my bike. Jesus Christ. So what are we doing today, Scotty boy?
Going off-road.
We're going to test the capabilities of these motorcycles. Now, I get a whole lot of people telling me how... Oh, watch out. Boys in blue, boys in blue.
Oh, it's 50.
Telling me how bad this motorcycle is for everything now.
Or like just off-road in general?
No, just everything.
Oh, so
on-road, off-road. Yeah. I've ruined this bike. Allegedly.
Oh, well, we'll find out, shall we?
Well, yeah. So, what did we do yesterday?
Hills run.
We went and bombed it through the hills, and guess what?
You didn't die.
Didn't die. So, I reckon we Gucci, baby. Scott, remember the last time we did a dual vlog? No one watched it.
Oh yeah. Where did we go? What did we do?
We were being mad. We remember when we took the bikes off the footpath next to your place? Oh look, squad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we did that. That was fun. We felt like such badasses, and now I've got a bloody XSR Scrambler. It's like, wow, you went on a footpath. like you off-road your Grom. And I hard park my XSR.
Uh-oh, the front brake's locking up again.
Skirt!
Ooh, rough.
Hey, you should invest in some ABS, mate. You know that's anti-locking braking system? Yeah.
Yeah, no, thanks.
Girls like abs, apparently.
Oh, do they?
I'm pretty sure we can... Oh, no.
You can, like... Fat wheelie.
Oh, well, now I can't see your number plate. You're fine. Just ride like that forever.
Oh, okay. I'll just casually ride like that forever.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
I wish I could.
People on
genuinely wish
YouTube
I
would.
could.
Do you reckon these guys are going to judge
Nah,
us
they
hard?
don't give a fuck.
They're going to say, boys, boys, boys.
Boys, 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 I'm not listening, fool. Where we going? Down here.
Yeah, I'll just bloody send it in front of them, and then they'll, like, I'll stack it. And then... Oh, so this bit, they've resurfaced it. This was just all mud from, like, them working the back of those houses.
Oh, so it's hella slippery.
So that's where, like, you know, all those photos of my bike with all the mud?
Yeah.
It's all just from that patch there. Like, that's where it was all coming from.
Yeah, right.
Not bad, good size.
Well, last time I come through here, someone put, like, shitloads of rocks and stuff over the footpath to try to stop you from riding through it.
Arseholes.
And I was like,
what about people on their push bikes?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. But also, like, who cares? I have my baffle in. And you're on a lawnmower.
Well, yeah. I've got about the same amount of horsepower as a lawnmower.
It's actually called pony power when it's that amount.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Duck power.
Quack, quack. Skirt. Yeah, now this is usually where I get to, right? Oh.
God, I haven't been this way in ages. What's it?
There is a path there.
Oh, here.
Yeah. There was a path just there.
Big oof. Oh, then you have to... Can we go... Oh, yeah, we can still go this way. Fuck, I haven't been in here for ages.
Yeah, so this is always where I get to.
Oh, that's a hell of a hole.
I get to here, and then I'm like, oh, I don't want to go down there. Oh, that's a hell of a hole.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I don't want to go down here. And then,
get stuck.
Yeah, and then it takes me like an hour to turn around.
Oh, bottomed out. I need to... Oop, there goes my exhaust. Oh, yeah, you're definitely going to get stuck-a-rooney here. Oh, there goes my exhaust again.
Stuck-a-rooney? I don't want to get stuck-a-rooney. The problem is...
Oopsie, I bellied it.
Jesus. Just power walking. Oh.
Oh, I stalled it. What am I bellied on? Oh, okay, there we go.
Ooh. Slippery boy.
Ooh.
It is very fucking slippery.
Yeah, man.
And
you should try it on road tires and not fucking knobblies.
Yeah, you should try it with an extra fucking 100 kilos on your bike.
You're a little bitch. But there is a cheeky way through here once you're through.
I'm still fucking... I'm not even at the hunky-dory bit.
Oh. Well, it looks like I've diarrheaed on the back of my number plate.
I'm just, because it's so fucking big, I'm just like, I don't want to lose it down.
There. Yeah, it's better to do this when it's not wet.
Yeah. When it's a bushfire threat, that's the better time.
Yeah, well that's the last time we come in here.
Alright, so we got about 10 feet further than I get by myself.
Oh, well there you go.
Nice. With about 1,000,000 times more effort.
Oh, I can feel that going up my back.
Fucking, let's get a bump to it. I just took some of my photos up here as well.
You got photos done up here?
Yeah, well, I took some of mine.
Oh yeah.
For the old Insta.
Good old Insty, eh? Oh yeah, there's a couple of dirt bikes up here.
Boys, boys, boys.
Oh, there's a couple of people walking. Yeah, typical Sunday Arvo. So what you do is once we go...
Your number plate. Oh. This thing is just like so heavy.
Yeah, that's the only downside. Go this way. Oh, she seems okay.
She had a big old smile on.
I don't flex it, I don't have enough. The poor Grommy just can't do it. I'll admit, if you see a couple of dirt bikes, you're going to be like, what the fuck?
Yeah. What a madman. Grom on a fucking MT-09.
At least your suspension would cope a little bit more than this, like I'm already bottoming it out.
Jeez.
My forks are just like clunk, clunk.
I should probably soften the suspension a bit on this.
I need to put thicker fork oil in it.
Tell you what, this is bloody nice having that baffle in though.
Yeah, it's not so ear-drummingly.
Oh, it just like drones, you just like, it's like, that's the problem, it's like, it's cool, and then like 10 minutes later you're like...
Alright, I'm over it,
Yeah. And then every time you start your bike, it's like, it's cool every now and then, but most of the time it's just like, oh. What do you ride along in first?
Yeah, I'm in first at the moment. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to go. I can't remember.
Ooh.
Is that another car? Oh no. Oh, exhaust. That's why we were talking about it as well. We're thinking might have to get a high mount exhaust for this.
Yeah.
Or just, I don't know, replumb the bloody whole thing entirely so I can run it heaps higher. Because the normal high mount still runs underneath and then you belly it anyway, but... Oh, okay. Guess what?
What?
We shouldn't have gone this way.
Why?
I can see water that we have to cross.
Oh.
You reckon you can make it up that?
Up what?
Up this? Tiny...
Oh yeah, that looks okay.
That was easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Do I just send it or?
Yeah, absolute limit of bash first gear. No. Yeah, perfect. Now we'll go this way. Let's go have a look, eh?
Yeah. Oh, that's a bump.
Oh no.
Oh no. Sure, see a bump.
That is a rape dungeon and a half, I tell you.
Ooh.
Go park your bike in it. Smells like dead bodies, but that's okay. Which way? You want to go, that way or that way?
Yeah, wherever. I'll follow you.
Alright, let's go this way. Let's go get fucking our bums fiddled with.
I thought that's why we were here.
Yeah.
Bend over, boy.
Spit on it.
You seen that video?
Yeah.
Fuck. I was saying that last night and no one got it. I was like, spit on it.
We
Spit
spoke about it yesterday. So just spit on it. Oh look, there's another rape dungeon.
Wait, I don't know if we're talking about the same spit on it. The porno video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
So when the world goes to shit, this is where we should go.
Yeah. Straight to that little dungeon.
Yeah, we can just fuck each other forever. And everyone's like, what are you guys doing? We're like, what? We thought everyone was zombies. They're like, nope. You guys just wanted an excuse to fuck each other. We're like, oh.
Oh my god, where the hell? That was my exhaust again.
Ting, 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 ting.
Huh. Well,
Oh, fucking
hell, I've never been this far. This is cool. This is where I tried to get in the full drive, and then I got stuck. And so we left it here overnight, because I couldn't see.
Which one?
The patch.
Oh, you were driving the patch.
Yeah. I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm going to go send it.
The new one?
Nah, the old one.
Oh, yeah.
I was still on my P's. I was like, I'm going to go send it, Dad.
And he was like, yeah, just fucking send it,
I just don't fucking break it. I'll try my hardest. It is a patch, you know. Alright.
Let's scoot. It's hard to tell if it's handling funny because of the gravel and shit, or if, like, shit's wrong.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
It should just be the gravel. Oh, yeah, here.
Probably shouldn't be an AMO, but fuck it.
Oh, you and fucking AMO?
Yeah.
I would have been. Oh, yeah, so the other day, must have been Brad that put it in fucking B mode or whatever it is.
Yeah, he did, yeah. That's why I was like, why the fuck would Scott put it in...
Yeah, because I took off at a set of lights and I nearly stalled it, because, like, the throttle response was just not there. I was like, what the hell?
Well, that's... So when I, like, took this up, like, the first time I, like, went around that back way, I, by the, like, under Lonsdale, I was going up and there's that gravel road to get back onto like, the dip.
Yeah.
And I went up that and, like, it got a bit bogged down. I had it in B mode and it got bogged down. And then, like, I think the traction control was on as well.
Yeah,
but it was just, like, in that. And then I was like, well, I'm fucking putting it in A mode and turn the traction control off and, like, sent it. And it came out super easy. It was just, like, getting bogged.
Yeah, because of all the bloody traction control's a massive thing.
Yeah.
Like, I was tempted to go the new monkey bike, like the new ones, but they've got ABS now, and I'm like, oh wait, here.
Jesus. You can just fucking pull the fuse out.
Yeah, I know, but...
But then it's throwing an error, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, you just have the ABS light, come on. See, sometimes...
Well, you just got to earth it somewhere, that's all. I mean, it's fine, but...
Do you? Sometimes, like, the ABS on this starts flashing. I think it just, like, the wheels get out of sync. Like, if I must, like, hit a bump or something and it just puts them out of sync.
Yeah.
But it's like, I'll ride from home to work and it'll do it. But today it hasn't.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Well, like, on the 07, if you wheelie for long enough, the ABS automatically turns off.
Yeah.
Like, every time you do a wheelie for more than, like, 5 seconds, it's just like, you don't need ABS anymore. I'll turn myself.
Is it because the wheel speed sensors go? Is that why?
I think it might be something to do with, that the front wheel's stopped and the rear one's still spinning.
Yeah.
And it's just like, it's getting confused, so it just turns itself off.
So, do we think that this bike is able to be a scrambler?
Look, it's not terrible. I wouldn't take it through some heavy shit.
No.
Like what we sort of started off as.
Yeah.
That was probably not the best idea.
It's not a dirt bike. It's not a dirt bike.
But, like, fuck it, this stuff, there's no way I would take my IMT through here, because it's just ridiculous. Yeah. But that thing, why not?
Yeah, well, like, it is, like, a bit lighter than your MT.
And I think and because your torque is a lot, like, your torque range is a lot lower than what mine is.
Yeah. It's just handy for, like, all this shit.
Even though that they say, the naked having a low, where the torque starts in nice and low, but being the 4-cylinder, it still has that tendency of when you get higher up, that's when it fucking really gives it to you.
Yeah.
Well, like, to be honest, an MT-07 would make a killer scrambler.
Yeah. Well, the XSR900 would be dope.
Oh, yeah.
And, like, heaps of people have said that. They're like, oh, you should get... I was like, well, I've already got a 900, don't I? Dickhead.
And to be honest, 99% of your riding is commuting anyway, so it's like...
Yeah. But it's like, it's not like anything we hit today I'd feel any better on having a 700.
Yeah, that's the thing, that is more than...
Like, like, this is crazy power, and the 700 would be a bit lighter, but it's still like, bruh.